Trying to explain.
Oh, it's Portrait Chuck. Ah! The night shift at Chuck E. Cheese game was recreated by new developers and it has a lot of secrets. The game is also extremely buggy. Please watch the full video as me and my friends completed the entire game, which took extremely long. And I hope you enjoyed this video.
Oh, Tyler's turning off the volume because he's scared.
No, fuck you. I just want. I don't
Whoa!
Why did he get so mad? Bro, I think he may deserve a timeout.
No, bro.
Yo,
No.
You're in timeout. No.
Bro, what did you do?
Oh,
You're just not carrying him over. Stop touching him like that.
He's innocent.
I got a lantern. Wait, this is a better light. The lantern is a better light source.
Wait, what? What'd you do? Was it over here?
I don't know. I just says I got a lantern.
Oh,
Ah!
go to office, go to office, go to office, go to office.
Oh, I juked him with the Chuck statue. Probably like six good people.
Yeah, I have like 7.
Stop close to me.
7.
Ah!
Darius, come out the vent. Oh my god, he's climbing in. Oh my... Darius!
What the fuck did you do?
Oh no!
Oh no!
Oh
No,
my god. No, don't play with the lantern, bro. Okay, I'm gonna find the key. Bro, is that song been stuck in your head all day or what? Darius, can you sing it for us? Oh my god. Wait, I have the same camera glitch as you. Oh my god.
Wait, look at my
God, we have to restart.
Hey, I see Tyler.
Oh, Derek. Oh. Derek, you're baiting you're testing your luck.
Wait, what's he doing?
4115. 411.
What are you doing?
415. I just opened storage.
You deserve to die.
Oh wait,
dude.
it's the
What
keys.
you got, key?
Oh,
Close the door in, Derek.
what did you just
Did you see
do?
that?
What? Bro,
Always chasing Derek.
bro,
Oh, shit, he's coming,
what
he's
is
coming, he's
that?
coming.
Wait, pizza and
Baited.
beer?
Oh fuck. This is
Oh,
how we
Derek's
posted
dead,
myself.
Derek.
How did I die?
Bro,
Fuck.
You need to show the car or
Okay,
Motocross.
Munch.
Oh,
I
Chuck
didn't
is
realize
chasing
you
me.
were
bro.
right.
Oh my god, Jasper.
Derek, what are you
Jasper.
doing? Oh, you're so lucky.
Bro, Chuck is camping here. Oh my god. Oh my god, the other guy's back inside. Okay. I got the hammer. Wait, I grabbed 4 hammers. What if I just drop them like along the way? We have like checkpoints. We don't have to go down as far. Where do we go from here? Oh,
You see, he's stuck on stage for some odd reason.
Munch. Why is Munch targeting me?
Munch
I just
is-
juked
Munch
him.
is-
I just broke his
Munch is
ankles.
defenseless, bro.
Oh, it's this one, bro.
Oh my god, can you
Oh
pray for
my
Gooper for Gooper
God.
Day?
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
There's.
Clip idea, clip idea.
Oh my
clip
god.
idea. Oh my god, it's not clipping.
Wait,
It's
he
not
doesn't know
clipping.
where we
I'm
are.
scared.
Wait, he. Oh. Shh. Stop moving.
Wait, keep it there, keep it there. Oh my god, there's a Chuck crawling.
Oh my god.
Elevator, this is the elevator.
Oh. He just jumped at me.
Dude, me and Darius are going up the elevator. Me and Darius are going up the elevator. Evil Chuck's here.
I'm
Oh my
trying
god,
to
it's
get
Evil
back
Chuck.
to you guys. I'm back. I hear something walking, Darius. How'd you get in? Oh, you could just jump in his room? Bro, he's supposed to. This
What
game
the
is so. This game is too broken. He's supposed to summon the like animatronic.
Oh,
Man, should we just go out the map?
just look for. Shit.
Oh my god, bro, he's T-posing at me.
Come. Right now.
I missed.
Oh god. Oh god. Okay, and then here's the ending. This is the
Okay,
here's the
Darius,
ending.
don't jump down here because you beat the game. It makes you win.
Yo, someone's booty cheek is over here. Look, someone's booty cheek.
That's
is-
gotta be Oh, that's the moose. You got exit key. I think
Look,
I got
Evil Chuck's coming. Oh my god, Evil Chuck's coming. Evil Chuck's coming.
it. Bro. Yeah,
Let's go jump down. I hear something stepping up.
Abyss. It's better storytelling if you have no idea what's happening. What was that noise?
Oh shit.
What?
Poppy puts on. Huggy Wuggy.
Oh,
Huggy Wuggy.
Why is he underground?
We have to wait till it's like
too
daytime.
hard.
You think I only need?
Oh,
you think
he's
I need
chasing-
5 people for Mega Lucario?
Bro, why
shit.
is this in a Chuck E. Cheese game,
Why is he after
bro?
me, bro? He only has one arm for me.
How are you like somewhat breaking his ankle? Oh my god. He's
Oh my
chasing
God.
me now. It's all your fault. What is this? Oh, Tyler, it has you this time. Wait. Bro.
Yes?
Wait a minute. Oh my god.
That's kind of a cool effect though. Like if you hover your mouse over this
Are you
drop
glazing the
shadow.
effect?
No, you don't. You don't even need.
Yes,
the
I'm
attack
glazing the
for-
effect. It looks fucking cool.
Why are you so angry all the time?
It's probably because you remember that his dad ran over CC.
It's just uncomfortable.
Some more. Okay. You can stop laughing,
Bro.
Josh.
He's not even supposed to be in the video. He's still laughing. Man, okay, we're just gonna wait till daytime. Man. Shut up, Darage.
Parker, why do you have the cat in this
Actually, really-
position?
there's like a really
Actually, you know, I'm not gonna
scary
say anything weird.
Yeah,
Wait,
this is
that's
OG
OG
Chuck.
Chuck.
Oh, he's stuck on the ground. Oh, he's moving.
Hey, look, Mr. Bam Bam's
What am I
over
listening to? Okay. These shelves are like pretty well made, though. I don't know if they're.
Here. It's chasing Derek.
Oh my god, bro. He doesn't fit through the shelves.
You can't choose, bro. You can't choose.
This game is creepy
Damn.
as hell, bro. This it's just this thing too. The rest of this game isn't even like that scary. It's just this thing. Oh, we're supposed to finish. We can't even finish the game because it's
Money, bro.
broken. Maybe we're missing something. Wait, what are we supposed to do?
Yeah, this door doesn't leak. Check, click
The
on the
mouse. A dismantled half-body robot. Oh, the moose. He's a now acquired dismantled. Oh, that's the thing downstairs. The jumper is the small Chucky. The bear. It constantly struggles trying to remove its mask or escape. It is the slowest but the strongest.
Okay, so Jasper's literally in the floor. He's A-posing inside the floor.
Oh my god, it's opening! Oh my god, it's opening! How'd you do that?
What'd you do? Where's the button?
Outside the map.
Trying to explain.
Oh, it's Portrait Chuck. Ah!
Oh. There's like a red button. There's a big red.
Oh my god, he crawls.
Oh, I collected 2 VHSs.
What?
Alright, we'll just.
Alright.
Prostate Chuck, chill.
Bro. I'm just gonna walk past him. This is like
Jasper
a
A-posing.
big
again.
rock with a skeleton. Ah! What the hell? Bro! Go.
Try going to that vent.
Boost me. I'm almost there. Damn it. Wait, I gotta crouch in.
We can-
I'm in! I see a skeleton climbing a ladder. I found an exit key. Oh, I got the break room key and I got a phone call. What the hell?
I just jumped in too. Wait, what is
No, let's not. Look, we can't do that yet. We can't do that yet. Bro.
Oh.
He said it in all caps. We gotta go. Oh, this is where the water is. What is this game? Oh my god. No, this is absolutely where the. This is where.
This is where the chandelier dude is.
What the hell, bro?
It's just actually scary.
And then
Yeah,
Munch is
that's
just
my boy,
completely
that's my
intact.
boy.
I don't know what that is. Oh, it's his tuxedo.
That.
Oh.
Hey, yo.
Oh! Krusty the cat. It's Krusty the cat. That's Krusty the cat. Let's go. There's bait. There's
Not
bait.
my bad anymore.
I'm through. I'm through. No, he's chasing me.
I'm there.
He broke his back. Alright, we're gonna stay
Look
really
out,
far
look out,
back
red.
out. We're gonna stay really far back. Holy. This gotta be the thumbnail.
Wait,
Darage,
Derge, what the fuck are
Why'd you come back for us?
Oh, Derge.
bro, Tyler, come back.
I'm coming.
I'm coming.
Derge,
Stop
I'm
giving me the
obviously
break room keys. I don't want them.
No. Yeah, fuck you. You can have all of them.
No. No, I'll build a wall of keys, so you have to pick them up if you want to if you want to give them to me. No. No. Bro, you pushed me in, you bastard. Oh, let's go,
Let's go.
I saw him for half a second, and I thought he was still chasing us.
Wait. This is.
Oh, he just jumped from the ceiling.
Oh. Oh, wait, that's where he's supposed to be. That's why he's on the top of
Wait,
the
this is how
roof.
we skip. We go on top of the roof,
shit.
and then we don't even have to deal with this guy anymore.
I have an idea. What if we just put the frosted chocolate?
Or we could just like, okay, good. Break ankles. Juggle key like in Granny. Oh, safe zone, safe zone, safe zone. Oh my god.
Wait,
we're in the elevator.
Get to that
He
one.
escaped.
Okay, well,
You're
I'm
missing
gonna
out,
go over
bro.
there. Said that I escaped too.
Oh my god. Here's the coat hangers. Okay, this is where we get the key. We got the break room key. Oh, I got key card.
Yeah, wait up.
Question mark monologue. Wait, there's a vent in here too. Oh, you glitched out the map with the vent. I'm back out the map.
She's over here. So,
Okay, I'm playing the VHS tape.
Jake, I hate
Jake,
you.
I hate you. Oh, it's the big rat! It's the massive rat.
I hate you for what you took from me. I still remember who I was. My voice. Being able to speak for myself. Say what I felt. Now I can't do any of that.
oh, that's why they have the big rat, because the big rat's gonna come in part 2.
I can see you, but I can't smile, cry, frown, or show any emotion. My face is frozen forever. So here I am, aware of every second of my existence, remembering what I was, feeling this hatred grow inside me, with no way to
Aye,
express
yo.
it. Sometimes I wonder if that was the cruelest thing you did. Not turning me into a machine, but leaving me with enough humanity to suffer the loss of everything human.
The big Chuck is the machine.
That's why I'm going to lock you up, Jake.
Oh my goodness.
Not because I want to kill you, but because I want you to look at me. I want you to see what you did. To see this face, you'll know my revenge was never about destroying you. It was about making you understand my
Hey,
pain.
yo.
That's it? Okay.
Okay, wait, there's like this other one that we didn't put in.
What is it called?
VHS 2.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Happening. Okay, so that didn't really
That
do
was
anything.
lame. Yeah, I found that one outside the map.
We can get out of here.
Wait, did you open it?
Yeah, I opened it.
Should we do it?
I already went in.
Alright, let's go.
Alright.
We finished. Nothing? Alright. An hour and 20 for no big Chuck.